Here are some of the tips for the resume making. One of the best resume making app is called Canva. You can definitely go for using it, as well as it is user friendly. And the second thing, whenever you are using an app, let it be Canva or any other app, most of the people make the mistake is that they go for the resume which is of a color contrast or a multi-grain colors in that way. So you might be thinking that what is multi-grain colors? Multi-grain colors refers to the different color contrast other than the black and white. Whenever you're making a resume, make sure that you're having a black and white combination, which is always classic forever for resume. So what will happen if you're using a colorful resume? So whatever institution you are applying for, if it's standardized, 90 to 95% of the institutions are using the resume tracking system. So the resume tracking system will have less readability focus. Less readability focus in the sense that sometimes it may fail to understand the words in it. So at that time you have to always use the black and white contrast. So it will be useful that in the first hand your resume goes for the selection. Resume part 2. Make sure that your resume is in a white background. Second thing, mention all the languages you're familiar with. If it includes the percentage of how much you know, it will look great. And the most important thing is that underneath your photo, try to highlight the major details. For example, like your highest qualification, your experience, your mail ID, which will look great to the recruiter. Most of the applicants are saying that their resume got rejected. It is because that in whichever industry you are looking for, well, let it be teaching or non-teaching, there are certain strategies or the keywords that a recruiter is looking for. So at that time, for example, like if I am looking for a business studies teacher, in the applicant ads, in the ads mostly it will be there like a master should be there, BS should be there, and what years of experience should be there, or additional qualification. As you can see in my CV, everything is highlighted in a bold letter, so that resume tracking system can easily track it out and I can go for the next level. Resume part 3. Make sure that you don't have a bulletin format whenever you are expressing your educational level. Okay, so never commit that mistake. It is one of the traditional method which will bring a bad impression. The second thing is that whenever if for example, like if I have done my masters, okay, it is not necessary that I have to mention that I have got distinction or anything, unless and until the recruiter is asking for. For example, if I got a master's, like if I'm a gold medalist, or say if I have a university rank holder, then definitely I can go for mentioning it. Rather than that, it's a big no. Third thing is that you have to update the visa status. If you're trying in abroad, so definitely, if you are trying in the GCC countries and all, visa status will be there. If you are under your spouse visa, mention that. Or else, if you are under the visit visa, you have to make sure that date of issue to date of expiry is mentioned. And last but not the least, don't forget to mention your LinkedIn address. Hope it helps.